Cross Manufacturing design and manufacture high-precision sealing rings for automotive and aerospace applications. With a bespoke, fully equipped training area for apprentices, they provide the core engineering skills that this high-specification industry requires. The college has delivered Level 3 apprenticeships with Cross for a number of years and added Maintenance Operations Engineering Technician apprenticeships to their profile in September 2017. This standalone facility is run by Apprentice Training Manager Tony Russ and Gordon Ralph, who support apprentices with industry knowledge and skills which are second to none. Cross coach, support and give ample opportunities for apprentices to learn and achieve their career aims. In many cases, apprentices have received funding support to complete further technical certificates up to HNC and degree level. We thank Cross for their support with apprenticeship programs and wish the company every success in the future.